In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert text box in Google Sheets. Text boxes are perfect for adding clear notes, instructions, or callouts that stand out from your data. And the process is quick once you know where to click. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. At the top right of the page, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From the list of apps, choose Sheets. If you're already signed in, you'll see your recent files. Open the spreadsheet where you want to add a text box. With your sheet open, look to the top menu bar and click Insert. From the drop-down, select Drawing. This opens the drawing window, which is where you'll create the text box that will be placed into your sheet. In the drawing window, click the text box icon. It looks like a square with a T inside. Your cursor changes to a crosshair. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your text box to the size you want. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. You can always resize it later by dragging the edges or corners. Next, click inside the box and type your text. This could be a title, a brief note, or step-by-step instructions for collaborators. Keep the message concise so it remains readable at a glance. For formatting, open the More menu by clicking the three dots on the toolbar. Here you can adjust the font size to make your message pop, change the text color for contrast, and set the alignment, left, center, or right, so it looks clean and intentional. Take a moment to preview different sizes until the text is comfortably legible without overwhelming the box. You can also fill the box with color to help it stand out from the grid of cells. Click the Fill Color button and choose a light shade so your text remains easy to read. A subtle background color is usually best for notes and labels. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your text box will appear in the sheet as a movable object. Drag it to the exact spot you want and use the handles around it to fine-tune the size. It sits above the cells, so it won't change your data or formulas. That's it. Your text box is in place and ready to guide anyone using the spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along for more quick how-tos.